Hey guys, my name is Costa, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to connect Claude to Framer, and it is basically the third video on this subject. And if you didn't see the previous two, make sure to check them out as you can learn a few things from there as well. So first, what I'm gonna do, I will press Ctrl K to open the MCP plugin. So then I'm gonna click on this right here on this link, and it will bring me on this page. Now, very important, you need a Claude Pro account for this, so you need a paid account, and also you need VS Code or Cursor, but in today's video I'm gonna use VS Code, so it will be much easier, I believe, for you if you have VS Code as well. So first I'm gonna open the VS Code now, and inside VS Code you need to have installed Claude. So if you didn't have it installed already, go right here and look up for Claude, and make sure that you install this one and not something else, because yeah, this one is the original one. Then once it's installed, you will have this icon right here. So now I will close this. I will create a new folder on my PC. So let me bring this right here, right click, then create a new folder and name it Claude to Framer, or you can name it whatever you want, it doesn't matter actually. So that is good. Now click on open folder, then you have to select the folder that we just created. So I will select this one and we are good to go. Next I will click on terminal and click on new terminal, and then I will copy this right here. So let's paste this inside the terminal, press enter. Now here you have to select Claude Code. So if you want to move down, you have to click the bottom arrow key, or if you want to move up, you have to click the top arrow key. And then press enter, and I will click on yes, again enter. So next what I will do, I will also copy this right here. So let's paste it and press enter again. So nice. Now you can talk to Claude. So I will close this and also the terminal as well. Select the folder and then click on the Claude icon. Let's open it. And I will ask to, let's see what's this project called first. Maybe I can name it YouTube tutorial. Now, very important, make sure this plugin is running. So in order to have Claude work inside your project, you need your plugin to be open like this. And if it's not green, it means it's not connected. So make sure that it's green like this. Now I will click on this icon and let's see if it's gonna connect to my project. Okay, so as you can see, it connected to my project. It is great. So let's ask it to create a new page called Framer. Press enter. And as you can see right now, we don't have any pages called Framer. So let's see if it's able to do this for us. And yeah, so voila, it was able to create a page. Now let's ask it to create the other two breakpoints. So nice, create the missing breakpoints. And now we should be able to see it right here. Voila, as you can see, it was able to create these two other breakpoints. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.